आप ही तो आपकी बात में खुलेआम सभा में कहा, जो बात आपने मुझे एक क्लिप भेजी थी, आप अमरावती में गए थे किसी घर में, हालत बताइए जरा।
Alleged India Today journalist Rajdeep Sardesai ended up exposing himself yet again. Oh well, yes, it is not something new that I'm talking about, because Rajdeep either exposes himself
Rajdeep Dalal hai
or get exposed well by us too. This is a little sad. But dear Rajdeep Sardesai ji is not taken seriously by his own favorite party and their leaders. In fact, he also gets mocked and humiliated by his own favorites on television.
We never take you guys seriously.
Wait a minute.
तो मैं आपको सीरियसली लेता नहीं.
Rajdeep's agenda got exposed yet again here. In an interview with Shiv Sena UBT leader Uddhav Thackeray, it was revealed that our dear Rajdeep ji sent talking points, or in short scripts, to Uddhav Thackeray to be used in election rallies. I mean, what a perfect example of ethical journalism this is, Rajdeep. It's people like you who coin phrases like Godi media for those who are said to be pro-BJP. Then what name should we call for so-called journalists like you, Rajdeep? Maybe Darbari media? Well, we won't get into name calling for now. But isn't it ironic that after Congress's defeating loss in the Haryana, Rajdeep, you swore to not be involved in any sort of election predictions thereafter?
I am not going to touch any prediction of Maharashtra. All I'm going to say is that I look forward to a great election in my home state.
But here you are sending talking points to Uddhav Thackeray, whose party is fighting the upcoming Maharashtra elections. I wonder, why has it now become a pattern, or you can say a habit, of our alleged journalists like Rajdeep Sardesai to take Congress morcha advertising about them, helping them to woo voters with unethical means? I can give you n number of examples here about Rajdeep's soft stance towards Congress and their allies, and how just ahead of every election Rajdeep puts on his hat to hail his favorite party and become their star campaigner during elections. Here is Rajdeep trying to be the unofficial spokesperson of our leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi.
Please let me finish, Rajdeep. Unless you want to answer it for me. You do that also sometimes.
Here he defends Rahul Gandhi's anti-India statements on foreign soil, terming the objections as fear-mongering.
एक समय आएगा कि आप गुरुद्वारा में नहीं जा पाएंगे, कड़ा नहीं पहन पाएंगे, टर्बन नहीं पहन पाएंगे, तो फियर मॉन्गरिंग, लोगों में डर फैलाने की पर आपका आरोप लगता है.
And well, is this biased nature the reason that Rajdeep, in his ground reporting in Maharashtra, had put up this aggressive stance against the ruling Mahayuti? He is often seen downgrading the ruling coalition schemes and policies, bringing out only one-sided biased agenda.
मोदींवर विश्वास की शरद पवारांवर विश्वास. आणि शरद पवार.
I wonder why Arun Puri allows such biased agenda peddlers like Rajdeep Sardesai to carry debate on such important primetime slots. It is high time that one should be beware of such distorted and unethical journalism who just misleads and carries biased narrative in the public domain.